How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can import a new component for simulation in LTspice. So I'm going to get a simulation component right here, and simply right after you can just extract it and then open it up, and then it will take us to the similar folder right here. Now you want to always look for the .lib file, because in here you will actually go ahead and see the subcircuit. You always want to simply look for that when you want to install or import a new component. So let me just go ahead and open it up onto Virtual Studio real quick. And basically from there, you can confirm that the subcircuit is inside. So what you want to do is to copy this lib file, and then you want to head over to the file location of your LTspice. There's going to be the lib folder. It's going to be here by default, so just click on it, click on sub, and then you want to paste the lib folder or the external component right inside right here. So let's navigate back to this folder. Let's drag and drop this specific file, enable for us to simply copy it. And as of the moment, I've already copied, so I'll just click on copy and replace. And then let's go ahead and open up our LTspice application. Now, if you cannot drag and drop your lib file onto the LTspice, what you can do is to simply head over to the open section, copy the file location of the lib file right here, which is going to be inside the installation path of LTspice, and then we can paste it onto the open section of LTspice. Go ahead and click on all files, and then you want to look for the lib file that we want to simply import. So in my case, let's go ahead and use this one as an example, and then we will go ahead and see that right here. And so you can just look for the subcomponent. Unfortunately, in my case, this isn't the file that we have downloaded, because the file that I have imported onto LTspice is currently encrypted. So just to demonstrate you and how you can do this, you want to look for the subcomponent. Let's just say that this is our subcomponent right here. What you want to do is to simply right click on it, click on create symbol, and basically from there you will be able to import or get your new component for simulation in LTspice. And so from there, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.